This is another installment of Grow What You Eat 2026, and I'm going to do a little planting today. Just a little bit. We did quite a bit of planting this morning, and I forgot my camera. I didn't want to run up there and get it, but anyway. So I got 4 honeydews I'm going to put in at the end of this row where we ran out of mulch or the plastic, biodegradable plastic. So I'm going to put this in there. I got 4 of them. They're ice box is the variety of it. So I'm just going to use my standing plant and kind of space them out. And then I'm supposed to get a little rain tonight, so we'll see. And I'm going to put some, well, this ran out and I'll show you that in just a minute. But let me go ahead and do this while I'm thinking about it, and then we'll get to the other part. So that's all the honeydew I'll put out. I kind of have a hard time growing it, or it takes forever, it seems like, to grow. I generally put it with the cantaloupe, and then the cantaloupes overtake them, so cantaloupe way on the other side of the farm. This one's right here, and we'll try and see how it goes. So I might throw a little water on these real quick, and then we'll go and do some old-fashioned planting back here. At the end of this row where I ran out, I've got probably about 30 feet or so of bare ground. I'm not going to put plastic down, so I thought I'd put this dill down. And I've got 3 different kinds of dill, and actually planted some picklers this morning, or pickling cucumbers. So I need the dill. I actually started this banquet dill. Actually started it in the greenhouse about a month ago, and it does not transplant very well. I put some of it in the pots and it just don't do very good, so you're supposed to direct seed this, I found out later. So I'm gonna start off. I got some Mammoth Long Island dill, some Ducat or whatever, then the regular old banquet dill. So I'm gonna put all 3 kinds in, and we're gonna start with the Mammoth Long Island. It don't feel like there's a whole lot of seeds in here. It says grow sow direct, 1/4 inch deep, full sun, keep moist. I can't do that. All right, we'll try it and see. The reason I want this is kind of want to try to make our own pickles, and with our own dill. See how that turns out. It's something we've never done before. This first year I tried to grow dill last year or maybe the year before, and it didn't do good. Did great in the greenhouse, the germination and everything, but like I said, it don't transplant. All right, so I got my old crooked hoe here, and we'll make a furrow, and then we're gonna drop some seed in, cover it up, and pray for rain. Next one's going to be that Ducat dill. Ducat dill, D-I-L-L, not a D-E-A-L. This is this banquet dill. Yeah, I'm gonna go all the way to the end. I'm gonna wait. If I do good, I'll come back and do another, because it's got a lot of seeds in it. I do like my corn. If it comes up, I'll wait a couple weeks and finish that rolling out. Others didn't have that much in it. Got some planting done, got some honeydew, got our dill in the ground, and this morning we planted cucumbers, squash, zucchini, 2 kinds of green beans, okra, 2 kinds of picklers, and 1 slicer. So our plastic came yesterday. We was going to lay more plastic today, but it's just too dry out here, so you gotta have a little bit of moisture for it to compact around the sides. If you don't, it'll blow up. So need a little rain, and after it rains, we'll finish laying our plastic and get some more stuff in. We've got a bunch of tomatoes in. You'll see that in the video. And corn's coming up. Those carrots we planted the other day, they're coming up, so they're germinating. So I'll wait a couple of days and I'll start another round of those in a different raised bed. And kale's doing good. Cabbage is finally starting to do good. Our broccoli's finally starting to do good. Potatoes are finally doing good. So we'll have to do a tour, I guess, when we get a little closer. House and flowers are starting to come up in our flower garden. So anyway, grow what you eat 2026. Appreciate you watching. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here at the farm next video.